No preparation.
I'm just waiting for his answer. I'm sitting here like this. मैं नॉर्थ इंडिया बन गई थी कि अगर मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा सर तो नॉर्थ इंडिया को समझ में
हमारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर का एंटेना होना था कि अगर कृति ने अप्रूव किया तो डायलॉग मराठी में बोल सकते। रणवीर और मैं जुड़े हुए हैं एक तरीके से, बिकॉज सदाशिवराव भाव एंड बाजीराव वो आल्सो रिलेटेड।
Hi, I'm Sanjay Dutt.
Hi, I'm Kriti Sanin.
I'm Ashutosh Gowarikar. I'm Arjun Kapoor and you're watching
Bollywood Hungama with Faridun. Keep on watching.
Keep on watching.
Well, it's wonderful to have the team of Panipat with us. Ashutosh Gowarikar, Arjun Kapoor, Kriti Sanan and one and only Sanjay Dutt. बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है आप लोगों का Bollywood Hungama पे. Pleasure having you. How excited are you? The movie is releasing this 6th December.
Oh, very excited. With my rate of coming up with films, it takes 3 years to make a film. So after 3 years, if my film is coming out, I'm really excited.
So the way the buzz is there in the trade, it's slated to have a good opening. You are a numbers person. Yeah. So there are people who feel that you are one of the best producers that we are going to have very soon.
So that's a good sign.
How does it feel for you?
I think this film for me has been a journey of getting into the performance, getting into being this character. I've spent so much time working hard on every film, but this one has been a little more excruciating in terms of just living a very difficult film. The war, the battle. So अभी मैं उभर के आया हूँ finally to understand the film is releasing. It's almost like with the marketing I've come to terms with the fact that we've completed the film. It's been a long journey for me also personally, from signing the film to committing to shave my hair after doing the film and now releasing. I'm just happy that the trailer worked the way it did, because that is pretty much the essence of the film. So if you've liked the trailer, you will enjoy the film. Going purely by that, I feel the buzz, the excitement and all is to see something that is authentic and entertaining. So I'm fairly confident that we are in for the long run. And it's a film that I think the families will enjoy watching. I think it's a film that people who enjoy this genre, as well as people who want to know more about what happened in that era, will be excited to see, because it is great storytelling. At the end of the day, it's not just an action film. It's not just a romantic film. इसमें सब कुछ है. So that way, I feel it's well packaged in an authentic format where you will go with your family, you can go with your friends, you will enjoy it and you'll take home something, because it's for me my first patriotic film also in that sense. It's a film about the valor of these Marathas, and at that point the Marathas were running India. I think it speaks of a larger scale than any film I've done before. It deals with larger themes than I've done before. So I think numbers wise, this is my belief that it will be something that we'll all be very proud of. I don't like to put specifics in public because I feel that's unfair to the film and puts pressure to the outside domain. But I'm very confident about the film.
Ahmed Shabdali, you are portraying him on screen. Tell us about your preparation for a character like this.
No preparation.
I'm just waiting for his answer. I'm sitting here like this.
You know, you are lucky you're getting to see him today, because this is our first day also, and he's so normal and relaxed. It's unbelievable.
No, I mean actually all the preparations I think Ashu did. You know, he's played I think more characters in his head than at least we played one.
Right.
But Ashu played I think multiple characters.
He's lived all of them.
Correct.
Yeah, he has. I think it is a great help, at least to me as an actor, and I'm sure it was for Arjun and Kriti. I mean, because he was very, very clear about what he wanted from every character. I just had to prepare my beard and prepare my clothes, and that's it.
And your head. How was your experience? Yes, you have these Marathi dialogues which you've managed to pull off very nicely.
You know Marathi well?
I can understand.
I can also understand now.
I can understand, yeah. I can understand quite
She's
well.
spoken the most Marathi in the film by the end of it.
Yes.
So she got excited and carried away in a good way, which every actor should indulge. So ये क्या हो गया था ना कृति के साथ, मैं इसके लिए जवाब दे रहा हूँ कि कृति became that barometer कि अगर कृति को डायलॉग समझ में आ रहा है मराठी का, यानी कि हम फिल्म में रख सकते हैं, because she covers literally one half of India, the North India.
मैं नॉर्थ इंडिया बन गई थी कि अगर मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा सर तो नॉर्थ इंडिया को समझ में नहीं आएगा.
हमारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर का एंटेना होना था कि अगर कृति ने अप्रूव किया तो डायलॉग मराठी में बोल सकते हैं. जैसे मेरी एक लाइन है जो कृति नहीं है वो सीन में, मैंने बोला वेड़ फार कमी आए लवकर, तो इसने बोला वेड़ फार कमी क्या होता है, तो मैं बोला अब मुझे लगता है यार वो डायलॉग लोगों को सबटाइटल देना पड़ेगा कि क्या है उसका मतलब.
बट फॉर एग्जांपल मला समझला तो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि समझने से रिलेटेड है ये. कुछ डायलॉग्स है मराठी के जो बहुत क्लोज टू हिंदी है, अंडरस्टैंडेबल है. लाइक आई हैव अ डायलॉग व्हिच वेयर आई से कि क्यों एक लड़की वैद्य नहीं हो सकती, ऐसा कोई कायदा है का. नाउ इट्स वेरी normally understandable कि मतलब क्या है. And I started enjoying Marathi एज अ लैंग्वेज पंजाबी हिंदी से बहुत बहुत अलग है. बहुत सारे ऐसे उसमें शब्द हैं जो हम यूज़ ही नहीं करते हैं अदरवाइज, लाइक स, झ, वो नॉर्मली हिंदी लैंग्वेज में हम यूज़ ही नहीं करते हैं. या आई स्टार्टेड एडिंग मराठी बिकॉज आई फेल्ट इट वाज अ फ्लेवर that made the character and the dunya very different from what we had seen.
She has this dialogue about Mastani, and Mastani's son Shamsher Bahadur was part of this battle.
Yeah, is obviously there in the film, very important part.
Yeah.
in the film. Yeah.
So he's there.
Yeah,
Of course he's
absolutely.
there.
He
Okay.
fights. Yeah,
Right,
he's
right.
there through the film. He's there with
Right.
us. Sahil is
Sahil is
Sahil
playing the
Salati.
character.
Yeah, he's played the part. He's there throughout. Yeah.
So that makes it, I think, the contextual element as well. That what,
Yeah, right.
what
Because
she is saying.
I mean, he'll tell you better, but the story is literally it continues 20 years after the film
Yeah.
that we've seen Bajirao Mastani. So there is a
Correct.
journey that is linked. So there is an intertwining of relationships of and इसके पहले कि आप मुझसे पूछो मैं ही बोल देता हूँ रणवीर और मैं जुड़े हुए हैं एक तरीके से because Sadashiv Rao Bhau and Bajirao were also related.
Yes.
I'm his nephew technically, as in Sadashiv Rao was Bajirao's nephew. So that layer of having all the relationships maintained is very thorough. He's more experienced than we all are in terms of knowing how to make sure that the journey is genuine.
Nana Sahib was Kashi Bhai and Bajirao's son is also Monish Bell is playing that character.
Yes. When you're making a historical, how accurate can you be for portraying the history?
Well, that's a tricky one. I try as far as possible to be as authentic, as close to the incidents that have been written in history. In order to do that, you have to choose one particular account because you need to have one fulcrum. There are many historical accounts. You need to find that one. Like for Jodha Akbar, I found Akbarnama, my main fulcrum. For Kheriam Jijanse, I had Do and Die by Manini Chatterjee. Once you have that, then the process is the difficult process begins where what do you keep in the film and what do you leave out? Because that's a tricky give and take that keeps happening. So in this case, I was relying on Shezwalkar's historic account called Panipat 1761 because he wrote only on the third battle. And I took the help of historian Pandurang Balkaudeji, who heard the script, came on board, gave inputs, and helped in deciding what should be in the film, what should not be. Because it's a vast story. It spans about 5 years. It spans why Abdali came 4 times before this. When he came now this time, why was it important for the Marathas to leave Pune and go all the way up north 1,000 kilometers to stop him? ऐसी क्या ज़रूरत थी? ज़रूरत इसलिए थी because they felt that even though there was no concept of Hindustan as a united Hindustan,
As a nation state, yeah.
you still had a concept of this is our land and we need to protect our land from the invader. And for that, we need to set out. Delhi also is our land. So what if you're in Pune? And that's how the expedition began to stop this. So I think these are what you have to do is you have to take the big milestones from history because the intention, why am I making it? Because I am so enamored and excited by this chapter of history that I want to share it with an audience. So when I'm doing that, I'm going to select only the great milestones and bring them out in the span of earlier I would have said limitless film, but today I'll say a within 3-hour film.
Yeah, you have mentioned for his story. Right. Why are you calling the film as The Great Betrayal?
That he was here on 6th December.
Yeah, you will
Right.
see it in the film, but what is
Right.
important is that there are many supports that were needed from different kings, different principalities. Who came in, who did not. There were so many geographical reasons for everyone to align or not align. Because when the invader came in, he came in from the northwest. And that was a path he had to take to come into Delhi. Now, how did that path become clear? Because there were kings over there. It's so geographically connected and complicated that it needs to have a certain a study in terms of what exactly happened. So I've tried to bring all that to the table,
The politics of the time.
the politics of the time, but focusing mainly on this
Expedition.
unbelievable expedition, this entire Maratha army that left, and their bravado.
Because I think interestingly, even there were certain Maratha big guns who actually deserted Sadashiv as well. And there were some who stood by him. And it's pretty interesting.
You see what happens in history when you win, there are no excuses. There's nothing to be seen because you won. You can't do any explanations. When you lose, हजार चीजें निकल आती. If we lost because of this, because of that, because of this. Look at cricket. If you lose a game, it's everybody knows if the pitch was wet in the morning. Why did you have to take up bowling? Or that batsman had already been injured. Why did you have to take him in the... There are countless reasons. So the moment you have a defeat, many reasons come up. Now, what to keep, what not to keep, again has been a.
Dilemma.
So I'll be able to only tell you that this will come across to you as you see it in completeness of the film.
Yeah, because there are a lot of links in
Right.
the sense you need
No,
to
I'm
see
sure.
it. The links make sense only when you know all the characters and what the reasons were for who to do what.
Hi, I'm Sanjay Dutt.
Hi, I'm Kriti Sanon.
I'm Ashutosh Gowarikar.
I'm Arjun Kapoor and you're watching
Bollywood Hungama with Faridun. Keep on watching.
Keep on watching.